Hello everyone, welcome to Kashish Kitchen. Today I am going to make one easy and healthy recipe of breakfast, and that is bread upma. So for that let's start. First of all, here I will take one bread and you have to cut it like this. You have to do this to both the sides of the bread. So you will got some small and square pieces of bread. It is one of the healthy recipe if you will make this in brown bread or multigrain bread. It is very easy and tasty recipe, so don't forget to give it a try. So like this, here I got some small and square pieces of bread. Now it's time to toast all this bread. So for that, first of all, here I will take one pan, and in that here I will add 2 tablespoons of oil, and then here I will add all these square pieces of bread. Now let it be cooked for 2 to 3 minutes, and after 2 to 3 minutes you will see that it will toast. So now here I will take this out, and in the same pan here I will take 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. In that here I will add some mustard seeds. After mustard seeds, here I will take some finely chopped garlics. After that it's time to add some green chilies. After cook it for 1 to 2 minutes, here I will add some finely chopped onions. Here I have take one medium sized of finely chopped onion. After that here I will add one small size of capsicum. Now give it a good mix, and now here I will add one medium sized of finely chopped tomato. Again give it a good mix like this. Now here I will cover the lid for 2 to 3 minutes, and after 2 to 3 minutes this is how it looks. After that it's time to add some spices. Here I will add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and salt as per the taste. Here I will take 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Now again give it a good mix. Now mix all the ingredients well, and after that here I will add a little bit of water, and after that let it be cooked for 1 to 2 minutes. And after that now it's time to add the toasted bread that we have prepared earlier. So now again mix it and let it be cooked for 2 to 3 minutes, and after mixing it well, our tasty bread upma is ready. So like this. Now here I will serve this in a serving plate, and at the top here I will add some coriander leaves. So like this, our veg bread upma is ready. So for more interesting videos, like, share and subscribe my videos. Bye guys.